थे हम?
कल आपने वो बैकग्राउंड पोर्टलेट्स वाला दिखाए थे,
क्या है? कौन से?
मैनेज बिजनेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन।
Yeah, exactly. How to configure people profile? What is the transaction code to go?
पीपल प्रोफाइल, मैनेज
What is the
पीपल,
transaction
ऐसे
code?
कुछ।
मतलब what is the action name? Configure people profile, right?
कॉन्फ़िगर, ओके।
People profile. So let me tell you one thing. This one is employee profile. Don't be confused in these. These are totally different. Employee profile, which is the basic import of the employee, as I showed you, right?
या
Import.
एक्चुअली ये बेटर आप ऐसे बता दोगे ना कि कंफ्यूजन है माइंड में कि इतनी डुप्लीकेशन है,
Yeah,
सेम
yeah,
सेम से नाम है।
exactly. Employee profile एक है. Second one is public profile. Public profile is, what is public profile? If you are going to, it's for all employees. If you are going to employee
या
file,
बेसिक डिटेल्स दैट इज
या
विजिबल फॉर ऑल,
basic details that is visible for all, लेकिन वो
कॉन्टैक्ट
भी,
डिटेल्स बेसिकली।
या वो भी हमें परमिशन देना पड़ेगा कि क्या क्या डिटेल्स
ओके
विजिबल होना ये.
ओके
So it is also done through configure public profile, but this is not public profile. It is the settings that configure people profile. It is also done through configure people profile, but it's not exactly the people profile. People profile is something different. Public profile को configure कैसा करते हैं? Let me duplicate it. You have to go to configure people profile action. Action in general settings. Okay, just remember this part. In general settings, you have to just configure the header name. Header is this, which the employee will be seeing. Okay,
ओके
under this, these are the standard things available by success factors, but you can add any 3 fields in custom field, not more than that, if you want to add. Okay.
सर, आर दीज थ्री फील्ड्स लाइक लिंक टू दोस 15 बेसिक फील्ड्स? कस्टम फील्ड्स थी ना 15 की, आप
No,
15 कर
no,
सकते हो,
this is totally
वो अलग
different.
है
This
ना?
is the this is that 15 fields come in employee profile. 15
ओके
custom fields. If you want to configure any 15 custom fields, how to do that? You if you want to take a report, and you suppose the business unit is not there in employee profile, like basis, because it is the employee central field. You want it under employee profile, then you have to run a HRIS sync, which I have told you in provisioning, right?
ओके ओके
In provisioning, you have to run the HRIS sync, which is the one-time activity. If you set up the HRIS sync, then it will automatically sync the data in the midnight or whatever time you mentioned in the HRIS sync activity, background job. Then it will
ओके
pull that details into the among those 15, any one custom field which you have mentioned. Okay, as I told you in our employee profile class, how to create the custom field. If you want to link a business unit to that field, you have to give that name, and you have to run the under the field, you have to link it to the custom field in manage business configurations. Under first, you have to link it to the custom field. You know how we have done that.
कस्टम फील्ड
Custom field. If you want to link any custom field, first you have to go to manage business configuration.
Mm.
These are HRIS elements. So select any job info, for example. Job information, what you will be selecting. Job code or division you want division to be shown under the custom field. Custom field. Then you have to uh, sync. Not here. You from the standard field you have to not here. You have to go under the standard under that custom field. Just a second. In employee profile, you have to first go under the custom field. Where is custom field? Under standard, it will be there, right? For example, custom 1 or custom 2. See, customizing field 1, 2, it's coming over here, right? On the
Right.
HRIS sync mapping. You whichever custom field you like to sync, for example 15, click here. Then this is optional. If you want to write entity type and name, you can write, which is visible. Or if you want to just only sync the details, if you want to write mention the custom field with any type or name, then you can mention here. Or you if you want to only sync those details to a custom field 15, then you have to come here and done it. Then the background job which you have prepared, right, which you have activated through provisioning, under that position name will be coming. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So it's basically synced like that. So here you'll be having employee profile, which are having 15 custom fields and the basic import of the employee. Not much information. You will be only creating users in this. And public
Okay.
profile is like I have shown you what exactly public profile is, the headers which public can view. This you have to set what in the, you have to give this permission through my manage uh, people profile, configure people profile. Under general settings you have to give that permission. After that permission as well, you have to give roles also. For that you have to create a role for employee, and you have to give the role as well, what exactly you need to, what
Okay.
exactly the employee should see, like designation, division and all. So both should coordinate with each other. Like people's profile general setting header fields are these, right? In the roles
Hmm.
itself you have to select these and give the roles, permission roles for all employees. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this is what public profile. Then employee profile is done, public profile is done. Now people profile. These are the three important. Don't be confused with each other. These are totally different with one another. People profile is, if you go to what exactly people profile, I will be showing you. If you go to employee file, you are seeing these sections, right? Me, employment, life
Right, sir.
event. This section configuring is people profile, user interface. What users should see in this section are configured
Hmm.
in people profile. These are people profiles. So under
Right.
each sections different portlets are there, and some portlets are related to employee profile as well. Like we have seen talent profile, right? In that we can able to see this background information and all, like work experience within company, outside company, education details, and some standard portlets which are disabled right now. Those are employee profile. Those are coming from employee profile. Okay.
Okay.
So, for example, if there are employee central portlets, personal information is there. Let us remove this personal information and save it. Then let us refresh it. Now you are not seeing this personal information because we have disabled, we have removed it from business configuration. I mean people profile.
Right, sir.
If you don't
Hmm.
want to see that field, you can also do it from the business manage business configuration. By you will be having one option, like right, to enable yes or no. You can do it no, but even you can do it from here, from configure people
Right.
profile to disable the field. Basically this
Okay.
is the very important thing in controlling the people profile, these sections. Through not only
Okay.
configuring business configuration, you can handle all the fields which are, which should be visible and which should not be visible through here as well. So
Right, sir.
another, yeah, another thing is
So these are the broad terms. इसमें जो
yeah, yeah.
सबसेक्शन है वो भी यहीं पर है क्या?
These
Subsection
are
personal information.
personal information is main section. These are the portlets which we have
ओके, जिससे
removed.
नीचे नेशनल
हाँ,
आईडी आ रहा है वगैरह जो.
पोर्टलेट्स अगर, हाँ पोर्टलेट्स अगर आपको पूरा स्क्रीन खाली दिखेगा, अगर आप पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन भी यहाँ से निकाल दिए, अंडर पर्सनल
हम्म.
इंफॉर्मेशन इफ यू रिमूव द सबसेक्शन, देन ऐसा रहेगा, आपको कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई देगा. देन यू हैव टू गो हियर, और जो सो ये अनटाइटल्ड है ना,
रिक्रिएट करेंगे।
ऐड न्यू सेक्शन करना है, एल्स अनटाइटल्ड है तो यहाँ पे इसको कहाँ से लेना है, पर्सनल इन्फो है, ये लेबल जो है ना कॉपी करके पेस्ट करना है, अपने मन से कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है, जो
ओके
कॉन्फ़िगर
ओके।
बिजनेस
अच्छा
प्रोफाइल में है ना वो करके पेस्ट करना है।
अच्छा, नेम में मिसमैच होगा तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी।
करेक्ट, देन सेव इट।
तो ये जितने भी बने हुए हैं यहाँ पे नेशनल आईडी और ये सब बिजनेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में भी है
हाँ
इसका
सब,
मतलब।
हाँ बिजनेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में भी है, सो
टैलेंट
जो भी लेबल
प्रोफाइल
पे
और
है
ये
ना।
सब वहां पर है।
करेक्ट।
वहां से हम एक्टिवेट
सो
करते हैं स्ट्रिंग्स वगैरह, पिक लिस्ट वगैरह बनाते हैं। यहाँ से हम यूजर इंटरफेस एक्टिवेट करते हैं।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली। सो यहाँ पे पर्सनल बेसिकली ये क्या बोलते, कल हम लोगों ने लाइव बोल के लिखा था ना यहाँ पे, वो बैकग्राउंड जॉब के लिए है। बेसिकली एम्प्लॉय सेंट्रल के फील्ड्स readily by default available होते हैं। If you want to have any personal information, so directly you have to go with personal information। लाइव करने की जरूरत नहीं है। लाइव बेसिकली we have done because कल लाइव प्रोफाइल सेलेक्ट किया था ना हमने, बिकॉज ये बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन एम्प्लॉय प्रोफाइल के लिए लाइव सेलेक्ट करना है। फिर ये अलग है यूजर इंफॉर्मेशन जो टैलेंट में ही रहेगा, उसके लिए लाइव। ये कस्टम एमडीएफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो हम बनाएंगे, आई विल शो यू व्हेन वी विल बी क्रिएटिंग कस्टम एमडीएफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स फॉर दैट।
ओके
इफ यू वांट टू शो इट in the employee file, then you can do it, but for employee central field specially you have to select by name because it is by readily available in the system।
ओके
Got it?
या
Then save it and make sure save किए बाद से उसको मी के अंडर ही ले जाएं। you have to just drag it, else वो मी में नहीं दिखेगा। and you can even design it as per your company requirement। अगर ये आपको पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन बायोग्राफी के नीचे चाहिए then you can design it। अगर सबसे ऊपर चाहिए, अगर आईडी इंफॉर्मेशन के बाद चाहिए then you can do it like this and save it। तो वो सबसे पहले नहीं दिखाएगा। after id information you can able to see here। if you refresh it, see personal information id के बाद previously it was above, right? So you can design your page screen with this as well। so जरूरी नहीं कि एक ही सीक्वेंस में रहे, as per your client requirement you can design it। और एक ये अगर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन बनाना, अगर आपको पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए बट गलती से आपने अगर कुछ और लिख दिया यहाँ पे नेशनल आईडी रख दिया है, तो वो पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दिखेगा। इट विल बी heading will be personal information, but under that national id will be shown। so you have to carefully configure it।
राइट।
so you can just play it around, it's nothing very easy। see पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन के टैब के अंदर नेशनल आईडी दिख रहा है।
तो इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या, अगर पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन नेशनल आईडी आ जाएगा मतलब वो तो जो रिक्वायरमेंट होगी उस हिसाब से
हाँ
करना पड़ेगा
रिक्वायरमेंट
ना।
होगे तो उस हिसाब से करना है। अब आप दिस इज जस्ट अ एग्जांपल। अब पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन पोर्टलेट है, आई मीन सेक्शन है, पोर्टलेट है। you are giving pay details
Okay.
in under that, then you have to be careful under regarding that. So what the client requirement is, you have to carefully do it कि एक पोर्टलेट का दूसरे में नहीं जाना है बस हमको.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can do anything, you can just play it around. So if you want this जो भी हमने देखा है स्टैंडर्ड एंड बैकग्राउंड एम्प्लॉय टैलेंट प्रोफाइल का अगर मास अपलोड करना है स्पेशली, ये एम्प्लॉय सेंट्रल के फील्ड्स तो मास अपलोड मैंने बता दिया था आपको, इंपोर्ट एम्प्लॉय डिटेल्स बोल के स्टार्टिंग में ही.
या यूजर डायरेक्टरी करके था
Yeah,
ना.
user directory, that is employee central fields mass upload. But for this
Okay.
background and all information, education details and all, if you want to do mass upload, the decode is, I mean, the action term is import extended user information. So this is the background job. Personal information also, as I told you, user information you can update from here. And you first have to download import file template, then it will be like you'll be having so many details, like for inside work experience if you want to maintain, or benefits section, not only HR related, you can even able to find here performance management modules as well. So that is not our cup of tea, like we'll be not doing that. But you
तो सर इसमें आपको जो चाहिए होता है आप वो वाले ही रो रखोगे ना, बाकी डिलीट करोगे आप.
Exactly. If suppose we are interested in inside work experience, then you have to do this mass delete करके just ये रखना है. Only the format you have to keep, that's it, and you can upload it. After entering, you have to, after creating the file, you have to import it. Import extended data user. You have to choose file and you have to import it. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So this was the end of people profile and all. Extended user import and export also I've just told you. Now we'll be covering employee central overview. Just overview of employee central. What
सेकंड वाला कंप्लीट हो गया. सेकंड टॉपिक
कौन सा?
में सारे हो गए. ये
सारे
रोल
हो गए.
बेस्ड परमिशंस, ये वही आरबीपी है.
This
सक्सेशन
succession
डेटा
based
मॉडल
data
क्या है?
model basically यही है. The detailed configuration of succession data model you will be able to see in
Okay.
employee central only.
ठीक है. Okay.
And role based permission I have shown you. For each and every changes you have done, you have to do set up how to set up permissions and all. For people profile as
Right.
well, you have to do role based permissions. So these are small topics. This is the major one. We have completed 50% till now, but the 50% is this only.
Okay.
So overview of employee central, just I will be taking 5 to 10 minutes just to explain the overview.
Okay.
So employee central, what do you understand by employee central actually?
It is the core of
Core,
SF.
yeah, core SF master
HR
data, you can say
activity.
master
Master
data of the
data.
employee. Data of
Where you configure the
employee.
requirements and give the
Yeah,
access.
give the access to RVPs में आ गया. This basically contains the configuration of, one is actions, events and event reason we'll be calling in success factors, like hiring, promotion. hiring, promotion. This is not by default there in success factors. We have to configure it backend.
Okay.
And then creating concurrent employment. What is concurrent employment?
Not heard of it.
If suppose you are working in a single position, like you are working under marketing only, but due
Mm-hmm.
to some reasons you are also having 50% marketing job and 50% into
Okay.
sales or any other department, then that is called concurrent employment.
Okay.
That will
Within the
be
same
covered in
company, if you're handling more
Hmm.
than one role.
Yeah, more than one roles, that is concurrent employment.
Okay.
And contingent employment is nothing but for contract employees. If you are a contract employer,
Contractual employees आते हैं इसमें.
contractual employees आते हैं.
सिक्योरिटी, हाउसकीपिंग वो सब,
Yeah,
या
हाँ,
आईटी वाले खाली.
exactly. नहीं, any employee which are under a fixed contract, then those employees, either it can be security or what, as per
Okay.
the company requirement, any contract
Okay.
employee will be falling under this.
तो सक्सेस फैक्टर्स में कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल स्टाफ का भी डेटाबेस होता है.
Yeah, exactly. Contractual का अलग होता है. We have to just assign the percentage and all. सब उसका अलग होता है. We'll be configuring the same. Contingent employment, then leaves and attendance and absences. So basically, they will be applying leaves and all, right?
Right.
Absence इसकी spelling क्या है? Absences. Okay. So that's it. Compensation details we are maintaining in success factors only, master data, compensation and benefits. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So these are the submodules of Employee Central. And a
Okay.
part of that, we'll be looking into how to create workflows and business rules, right?
Right. Sir.
So basically, if you apply any leave or request for any job change
Mm-hmm.
or any name change, whatever it's eligible for employee, then it will go to the further approval, as we have seen, right? How we will be
Right.
setting up those approvals and all.
Okay. Okay.
Business rules. Business rules. So this is basically employee central, and a part of this will be covering all the employee central lies under these four data models. These are very important and the foundation of employee central.
Okay.
Corporate data model, country specific corporate data model, succession data model, country specific succession data model. While coming to the corporate data model, we are having this, as you can see, org structure. These are basically metadata framework foundation objects. Previously in success factors, we used to configure these all the objects, all the like objects or org structure or foundation objects, what we call.
Mm-hmm.
We used to configure
Mm-hmm.
in XML, using XML, but
Mm-hmm.
nowadays all these are coming under we are configuring under instance only. So
Okay.
org structure will be having this, as I mentioned you before also, legal entity, business unit, division, department. And under pay structure, you will be covering pay scale area, pay scale level, pay scale group, pay group.
Okay. Okay.
So similarly under job structure, you will be covering job family, job function, and job classification, which is job code. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So foundation objects are of again two types. These objects which I mentioned you are basically metadata framework objects and which are configured in instance only. And the foundation objects which are configured through XML, these are the corporate data model objects. Location group, pay component, which will be covering in Employee Central only.
Okay.
Pay component
Right.
group, pay grade level, event reason, workflow, frequency, dynamic role. So basically we are having XML foundation objects and the foundation objects. Metadata
Okay.
framework will be having, will be classified into two, which is metadata framework and XML foundation objects. So this will be
So
covering in
what is metadata? Metadata क्या होता है?
metadata framework is this which are configured in instance. We named it as metadata framework,
Okay.
which are not
ठीक है.
configured in XML, which are configured directly in instance.
Okay.
These objects are configured in XML, so these will be calling XML foundation objects, XMLFO
Okay.
objects.
ठीक है.
So we have to just download the template of XML and we have to uh, do some of the XML language. So
Right.
I think you have heard about XML, right? Have you done anything about in XML, how it is and all?
ESI साइट पे शायद XML फाइल्स होती हैं.
Yeah, exactly. बोलते उसका अलग अलग वे है XML को लिखने का. Just we have to open the
हाँ,
bracket,
वो
close
एक
the bracket.
स्क्रिप्ट है बेसिकली उनका हैश और
Script है.
अलग-अलग
Yeah, standard script
यूज करते
रहेगी.
हैं.
Just you have to change in the middle. I will show you that.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
basically you have to just don't disturb all the script which is standard in the system. So
Just
we
change the
have to
contents.
change the content, that's it. So we
Okay,
shall
sir.
be showing you. So this is overall we'll be covering under Employee Center. Okay. So from next
Right,
week
sir.
onwards, we'll be concentrating in Employee Center.
Central.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
अब सैटरडे संडे को फिर मुझे पूरा करना पड़ेगा बैकग्राउंड पीछे वाला क्योंकि अब इम्पोर्टेंट
This,
पार्ट स्टार्ट होने
yeah,
वाला है.
already 50% we have came across, and the rest 50% is Employee Center only. Main thing is pick list
सर
बनाना
इसमें
सीख
कैसा
गए.
रहता है जैसे कि आप बता रहे हो तो एक्सेस कब तक रहता है? कोर्स के बाद भी एक्सेस रहता होगा ना थोड़ा टाइम प्रैक्टिस के लिए?
Yeah, I think कितने महीने बोली थी? I mean
अच्छा, वो उन्हीं से बात करनी पड़ेगी है ना?
मनिका ने. हाँ, I think
उन्हीं से
it
करती
may
हूँ.
be 3 कोर्स के बाद भी 2-3 मंथ्स तो रहना चाहिए. एक बार
2-3
मनिका
मंथ्स
से
3
भी
मंथ्स होता है. हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
या
2-3
एक
मंथ्स
बार
होता है. मैं चेक
मनिका
कर
से
लूंगी.
भी
ठीक.
एक बार चेक कर ले.
राइट सर.
Okay.
ओके.
चलो,
थैंक यू सर.
वेलकम.
गुड नाइट.